Hey you, I'm so glad you're here today. I'm Jenny Prachko from amzn.to and I make videos about spirituality, writing and journaling prompts, moon-themed bullet journals, and some lifestyle videos right here on amzn.to. Today I wanted to share with you my May bullet journal monthly plan with me. I am really excited to share this with you today. May is a pretty special month. May is actually my anniversary with my husband for when we started dating. We pretty much started dating and were inseparable for years. A very, very long time. We were together for many, many years before we got married. May was always a special time on the farm as well, and I really look forward to the flowers that come back in May. There are irises that my mom has that are gorgeous. They're light purple, and I just love the scent of them, and it brings back a lot of really great memories. And unfortunately this year we're not going to be able to visit the farm in May like we normally do due to the current state of the world and everyone being locked down. I am definitely going to be thinking of the farm a lot. I'm looking forward to when our lockdown is lifted and things are a little bit better and when we'll be able to travel next year in the spring. Hopefully everything will be much better by then and we have a vaccine by then. So let's get into my journal and see what I have planned for May. This month I'm also utilizing a watercolor page that I've been tearing up and gluing down onto the pages. I really love this method. It's made journaling a lot faster for me when it came to creating the actual design. So like I mentioned, my husband and I have been together for a very long time, but we've been together 14 years and it's just insane. So when we met, it was pretty much, we were inseparable from day one, which I think is a really amazing thing to have in a relationship. It's one of those like romantic movie things that you don't think will ever happen in real life, and every once in a while those things do. So I'm really grateful for my relationship with him and for how long it's lasted. Since May is so special to me, I wanted to create a blessing for my cover page instead of just writing a quote. May we continue to grow like the trees each year. May our love continue to multiply each year like the flower bulbs in our garden. May we continue to bend as the grass does in the warm spring wind. May our love grow with each May we share. On the inside is my daily tarot draw where I recreate a tarot card that I pull for every day during the month. Now I'm working on my monthly tarot card. At the beginning of the year, I created a year ahead tarot card spread where I pulled a tarot card for each month and then wrote down what it meant. For this month, I drew the Father of Wands, and this is from the Wild Unknown deck by Kim Kranz. If you want to see what my card was for the other months, I'll go ahead and leave a link up above and down below to my year ahead spread. The Father of Wands, charismatic, creative. The Father of Wands is a man of mystique and charisma. Others are drawn to him naturally. He is deeply compassionate and in tune with his life and nature. He is able to hold steady and still during conflict. So I'm hoping to embody these characteristics this month as the month goes on. And you'll see at the end the final tarot card recreation. On the back side of this is my monthly review journaling questions. I always ask myself the same questions. What have I learned? How have I challenged myself? And what am I most grateful for? Now I'm working on my monthly spirituality prompt page. Make sure you subscribe to my email list. That is where I share these monthly spirituality prompts at the beginning of the month, and then later on I share my answer to them in a video. So make sure you subscribe there. That's the only place you can get these spirituality prompts now. I'll leave a link down below so you can join me with the monthly spirituality prompt, which comes out on the first of every month. On the back side of the spirituality prompt page, I have my habit tracker for the month. I want to work on getting daily walks outside in and also achieve 10K steps. So this is a circular tracker that in the end will look like a planet with rings around it or constellations around it. I've been using this a lot recently in my bullet journals, and I want to show you how I set it up. So here I'm just creating the color code. I have green for daily walks and blue for my steps. And every day I will create a little dot and then connect them as the month goes on in a circle around the entire habit tracker. Now I'm moving on to my 2 rolling weekly spreads. On the left side this month, I'm going to try and do all of my personal tasks, and on the right side, I'm going to do all of my work tasks. And here I'm just creating a little month overview with a stamp, and it says, "May we continue to grow with every May that we share." And that is from the blessing that I created for the beginning of the month that you saw just a couple of minutes ago. Now I'm working on my weekly spreads. I like to use a faux Dutch door. It gives me a lot more functionality and usability when it comes to my bullet journal as a daily workable journal. Now I'm creating a special spread for our anniversary. And then down below, I'm recreating this card that I gave my husband a long time ago on one of our anniversaries. And it says, "I love all of the phases of my life with you." Now I'm creating my little happy trees with my tree stamp that I created in a DIY video that has moon phase stamps, a coffee cup stamp, and this little tree stamp. I'll leave that linked up above and down below in case you want to make your own stamps. And now I'm moving on to my mental inventory spread. This is like a brain dump page. This is what I like to use to get all of my thoughts and ideas out so they aren't rattling around in my head and causing me anxiety. I'm experimenting with a different order of my bullet journal pages this month, and we'll see how it goes. We'll see how I like it. Now I'm heading back over to the monthly cover page and adding some more little happy trees with that stamp that I made and a full moon up above as well. Before we get into the final flip through, I just wanted to say I am so grateful that you chose to spend your time here with me today. If you really enjoy these journal videos and you want to get further into your journaling journey, I have a 52 weeks journaling prompt download for you. All you have to do is head over to the link down below in the description and you can get your free 52 weeks journaling prompts questions from me. These journaling prompts really helped me get to know myself better and just explore what was lurking around in my mind, and it helped me get some things out and just put me at ease a little bit more once I was able to write everything out. And I hope it helps you too. If it helped you, let me know in the comments down below, or find me over on Instagram at amzn.to. That's where I am most. Leave a comment there. Let me know what you think of the journaling prompts and what you're doing to connect to your spirituality. You can also find me on amzn.to, where I share weekly spirituality tips, rituals, recipes, nature-based content. I really enjoy being able to connect with you over there, and I love being able to read your comments and see what you're up to as well. I'm so grateful that you chose to spend your time here with me today. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!